Hey, good morning everybody. This is Bob KK4DIV and today is May 27, 2019. It is Memorial Day. But before we get into what we're doing today, I'd like to make sure we all take a moment and understand what today is about, Memorial Day, and keep all the men and women in our armed services that have given the ultimate sacrifice, their lives, to protect our freedoms in this country today. But today, we're also going to do a little bit of satellite work. You see I've got the homebrew log periodic antenna here. I've got the little Yaesu FT-1D, and we've got a few good satellite passes today. We've got the AO92 is coming up first, then later on we have AO91 and then SO50. All these passes are over 40 degrees, so I should have, now that all the trees are gone, thank you Hurricane Michael, should have a pretty good opportunity to get some satellite passes here. So why don't y'all stick around and we'll see what we can do. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. Whiskey 5 Charlie Baker Foxtrot Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. Well, I tried. That was the AO92 pass. Lots of activity on it. Whiskey Baker 5 Charlie Foxtrot, I believe was the call. He was in there the whole time, real strong, and I just couldn't get him. I couldn't get anybody. I threw my call sign out there a couple times, called a couple stations direct, and nothing. But that's all right. You know, you don't always get somebody on these things. So we'll try the AO91 pass coming up next. All right, folks. Well, we're trying the second pass of the day. This is going to be the AO91 satellite. We've got about 3 or 4 minutes till it comes overhead. This is about a 71 degree pass, so it's going to be pretty high in the sky. Maybe we'll be able to do something with this one. 3, 2, 1. All right, just came over the horizon. There it is. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. Kilo 4 Delta India Victor Echo Mike 70. N1 RCN, QSL, thank you for the contact, 73.
QSL 73, have a good day.
I got one. I hope that got on video. November 3 Echo Juliet, Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70. Whoa. Got one. We'll have to go back and roll the tape to see the call sign. It happened so fast I can't remember. But we got one. So, success. All right, let's get back inside the house. It's hot. All right, everybody. Next up, we have the SO50 pass. This pass is going to be about 60 degrees, starting in the south-southwest and ending in the north-northeast. And once again, we should have a pretty good view of the satellite since all the trees are gone. But I did get one satellite so far today. Out of 2 satellites, I got 1 contact. So we'll see what we do with SO50. We do have Greg, N4KGL, said he's going to try to get on SO50. I know we could probably talk to each other on Simplex from here, but we're going to go at it with the satellite. Maybe we'll get each other, maybe we'll get some other people. But this is fun, and it's been a great day for this. So let's see what we can do with SO50. We got another couple minutes before it starts, so stick around. 2, 1, here we go. There it is. Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70.
Charlie Baker Foxtrot. Romeo, Echo Mike 13.
Whiskey 5, Charlie Baker Foxtrot, Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70.
Whiskey Echo 4 Bravo, KK4YEL. QSL, have a good day. AM4 SFF KK4YEL, Echo Lima 98.
QSL, KK4YEL, AM4 SFF, Echo Mike 83, QSL.
83, have a good night.
Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70.
AM State November, Echo Mike 77. Hotel Papa 2, Victor X-Ray, Factor Juliet 09. 05 Tango Charlie Papa Echo 4 Kilo Golf Lima.
November 4 Kilo Golf Lima, Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70.
Romeo, Echo Mike 13. 05 Tango Charlie Papa Echo Mike 13. Whiskey Echo 4 Bravo, Echo Mike 62. November. Charlie Papa Echo Mike 13.
November 4 Kilo Golf Lima, Kilo Kilo 4, Delta India Victor, Echo Mike 70.
Alpha Golf 1 Alpha, Kilo Mike 4, November Sierra Foxtrot, Echo Mike 83, QSL.
Again.
Kilo Mike 4, November, Echo Mike 83, QSL.
Foxtrot, thank you.
KM4 NSF, KK4 DIV, Echo Mike 70. All right, guys, well, you win some, you lose some. Did log 1 contact today out of 3 satellites, SO50. Was just real busy. I could hear people, but they couldn't hear me. I did hear Greg several times. N4KGL was coming in real good. I'm not sure if he was able to hear me or not, but we weren't able to make the contact. I did hear some other stations in there as well that were coming through real clear. I tried to give them a call as well, but no luck. So, you know, like I said, you win some, you lose some, but any day you're going outside and having a little fun with ham radio, it's a good day. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and end this video. I'm going to get back inside and finish up my Memorial Day and get ready to do a little cooking. I'm going to do some burgers on the grill this evening. So thanks everybody for tagging along with me today. Hope to see you in a future video. 73 from Bob, KK4DIV. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.